Hey guys, my name is Nikki and welcome here to Carry Grace. Alright, so today I'm super excited to be sharing with you my summer home tour for 2019. I'm not sure I've ever done a summer home tour. I usually do one for fall and one for Christmas, but we have done a lot of different kind of upgrades and things in the house recently. So I really want to do this home tour for my sake. I really enjoy documenting the progress that we make in our home. We've lived in our home for over 8 years. We've done a lot of DIY projects. We've made a lot of upgrades. I am constantly rearranging. I'm constantly painting things, bringing in new thrifted pieces, new pieces, just lots of different things. And like I said, I really just want to document it. I don't do a lot of decorating specifically for summer. You will see that I do have a few little touches of things like lemons in the kitchen, and I do something special for my kids on the chalkboard. I try to do that seasonally. My kids let me know that I totally missed spring this year, but that's okay. We recently purchased a new sectional, so the feel of our living room is completely different from my last home tour. I have just painted the built-ins completely differently in my dining room. The bathroom, our main bathroom, is still pretty much a hodgepodge. I am slowly in the process of working on it. I did also want to mention that this home tour is strictly going to be our bottom main level of our home. We have a 2-story home, and upstairs we have 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, but y'all, that is my kids' domain. I rarely go up there. Sometimes I go up there to clean. A lot of times they clean it. So that will not be a part of this home tour. So I did just want to kind of throw that out there. Another thing that I wanted to mention, if you are new around here, I am going to show you my laundry room. You will notice that there is not a washer or dryer in my laundry room. It's not technically a laundry room. It is the room that we closed off, and it will eventually be a laundry room. Currently, our washer and dryer are in the garage. It's a big project. It's going to be a time-consuming project. It is a super expensive project, and we've kind of done some different things, so it kind of keeps getting shifted back a little bit, but that's okay. I still fold laundry in there. I hang up laundry in there. It has a desk in there. It's kind of a laundry room / office. So we've made some upgrades in there because it used to be just an office, but it's going to continue to change and get better. So if you are new, I did want to clarify that so that you don't think I'm crazy when I show you my laundry room and there's no washer and dryer in there. Another quick thing, I did want to let you guys know that while my house is picked up right now, my floors are disgusting. So y'all are getting some real life. My laundry room is not super spotless. I did not take all of my piles of junk out of there. I definitely straightened it up a little bit. It's much better than it was about 15 minutes ago. But y'all, this is real life. We live here. This is our home. Messes happen. It's summertime. I've got lots of kids in and out of here. We have boys. And so I did just want to kind of throw that out there. All right, enough talking. Let's get into this house tour. All right, welcome to our living room. All right, so last home tour, this room was very different. We had different furniture. We had a different layout. The cable used to be on this wall over here. And I realized before we got a new couch that I really wanted to change the layout of the room so that the TV was in between these windows, because it used to just be on this really long wall. And it just felt kind of awkward. So we spent a Saturday moving wires and cables in the attic, and it was a wonderful change. The rug is from Ross. The sectional is new. I've had it less than a month. It came from Ashley Furniture. The coffee table, my dad actually built this a very long time ago when he was in the Navy. It's just a wooden chest, and I really like having it in here. It's the right size and shape. I'm still kind of working on pillows and curtains and things like that, but this is good for now. I would like a little bit more pattern or color or texture or something, but this is what we have for now. I will eventually get a few more things on the wall, but I'm taking my time. See, I've got a blank wall here. I'm taking my time. I don't want to rush it. This table and this end table right here. These are both thrifted finds. They came from, one of them was from Facebook Marketplace. The other one was from the side of the road. They have been painted, but I have since decided like to change what I'm going to do. I thought I wanted this gray color, but I've changed my mind. So I'm eventually going to repaint this one and this one as well. So we'll see how that goes. My lamps are a clearance find from Target. Lampshades are from Walmart. This leopard throw and the gray pillow covers, those are all linked in my Amazon storefront. Those pillows are great. They come in lots of colors, the pillow covers, not the pillows. All right, so over here is one of my favorite little corners. This is my little desk area. This desk belonged to my husband's grandmother. She knew how much I liked it, so she let me have it. Just have my computer here with a placemat. I like the little tassels. That is also from Target, from the Opal House collection. And then I just have some family pictures here. Spent a lot of time editing right there. All right, I have a little metal art right here that I repainted. Let me see if I can show you the TV. I know it's going to be kind of hard because of the light coming in from the window. This is just a bookshelf from Target. We've had this a long time. And then my cotton sign is from Kirkland's. And then over here is my bookshelf. We keep games and stuff down here on the bottom. And then I just kind of have all my pretty stuff right here. So that is our living room. Right here you can see that's the foyer, front doors. You can see that I still need to paint. All right, so on the other side of our living room is the foyer. This is our staircase, and because I said I was going to keep it completely real, I was going to show you guys that I have not finished painting the foyer and the hallway. You can see that we recently painted, and I'm not done. So the new color is the gray on the left. The old color is the dingy tan. All right, so moving on, we're going to go to my breakfast room and kitchen. All right, so here's my breakfast room table. This is a table that I found on Facebook Marketplace. The chairs are from Facebook Marketplace. We painted the chairs. This bowl is actually a new find. I just purchased this at the thrift store. Super excited about that. Right here, this is the counter. If you watch my vlogs, I almost always have to clean this during a vlog or during a cleaning video. When we homeschool, y'all, this counter is covered in books and papers and all the things. But I cleaned it up for y'all today. And then over here is the kitchen. Now, when we moved into our home, there was floral wallpaper, orange countertops. We upgraded our countertops and backsplash. One day we are going to paint the cabinets, but that's another project for another time. I do have a couple of new things over here. You can see I've started adding in some more touches of gold. The paper towel holder and fruit basket are from Target. This little lemon candle is so adorable. They finally clearanced it out at Target and I grabbed it. I'm not a candle person. We don't even burn candles, but I really wanted the container. Some of you may notice that we have a new Keurig. Y'all, this thing is so awesome. This is the Keurig K Cafe. I really wanted the one where you could froth milk and things like that. So this is new. The other Keurig that we've had it for about 7 years. And so I was really thankful that we were able to upgrade. So this is our kitchen. Right there is my laundry room. That door color is called Urban Bronze by Sherwin-Williams. And this is the other side of my kitchen. All right, so let's take a peek in the laundry room. Ta-da! See all that stuff? All right, so this is the room that will eventually be a full-blown laundry room one day. This is a cabinet that we got from this side of the road. My neighbors threw it away. It used to be their kitchen island. I'm actually getting ready to paint this. I'm going to put new hardware on there. I am going to eventually trim out the countertop. We have shelves in here for all the stuff. There's actually stuff pouring out of baskets up there on the top. Real life, guys, real life. I like to have this place so that I can hang laundry to dry. I have lots of laundry that I air dry. So this is super nice. One day I'm going to get pretty laundry baskets, like a rolling sorter thing, but right now we just have these. That's where Tucker lives. And then over here on this side is our desk. My kids do some of their online homeschool here, and then I have places for all of the things up here. It's still a work in progress, but right now it's functional. All right, so let's head to the dining room. All right, so right here's the kitchen, and you can see right here, this is my summer chalkboard. I just added the phrase Sweet Summer, drew a watermelon, the little gingham banner or bunting that came from the Target dollar spot. I just really like the blue and white. Thought it was super cute. All right, so this room is now our dining room. Right here you will see my antique piano. This belonged to my great-grandmother, then my grandmother, then my mother, and then I inherited it. I think it is beautiful. In case you can't tell, I really like mixing old things with new things. So that's the piano. And then over here is the room that is currently our dining room. This used to be like a den, but because we homeschool, we really wanted a bigger area for our table. So this table is actually a custom built table by my husband. We built it in the other dining room because it was really small in there, but it actually works really well in here as well. This buffet is relatively new. I thrifted this a couple of months ago. The lamps are new. Those were a birthday present from one of my best friends. I really am happy with this area. Just have a little bit of decor right here. My mirror is from Hobby Lobby. And then over here is what you guys have been waiting for. I painted the back of my built-ins. Actually, I painted all of the built-ins. This used to be like a really dark urban bronze color, the outside. The inside was like a really pale, like aqua color, and I painted the back a really dark green, and I really like it so much. Green is actually one of my favorite colors, like olive green, and I used to have a lot of green in our house, and I've been wanting to incorporate it again. So this is what I decided to do, and I am so happy with how this turned out. So yeah, y'all are finally getting to see it. And then over here is just the door to the garage. Those planters are eventually going to get moved outside on the patio. And then over here, I'm eventually going to add some plates to this wall, but this is a picture, like an aerial picture of my great-grandmother's farm in Iowa. And so that's right there. As you can see, I really like blue and white, and I collect like the ginger jars and vases and things like that. All right, guys, so last but not least, we have our master bedroom. If you have watched any of my cleaning videos, you have seen me make this bed hundreds of times. Our furniture is 20 years old. We purchased it for our very first anniversary. And this past year, I still really like our furniture, by the way. I was very careful to pick out something just very simple and timeless. And then for our anniversary this year, we did update our headboard. It was like a wood headboard, and I really wanted just a gray fabric tufted headboard. This particular one is from Amazon. I have it linked in my Amazon storefront. This pillow is from Ross. The bedding is from Amazon. It is a duvet cover. It is very affordable, also linked down below. My rug, and I do apologize if you hear my washer and dryer going. My rug is from Ross. I finally found the one I was looking for. It was a great deal. Lamps, I've had these for a very long time. They are originally from Target. My diffuser is from Amazon. My little mirror up here, I don't remember where it came from. Probably, I don't know, Target, Hobby Lobby, Home Goods, TJ Maxx, I don't remember. So this is our room. There's our closet. It's very small. Armoire. And then over here, this is the little area that I eventually do want to add some artwork or something up here. This is very plain, but I'm not getting in a hurry. And this room did get repainted earlier this year when we built our bed and got the new headboard and all the new bedding. So this is basically all new since my last home tour video. All right, so let's go to our bathroom. All right, so here is our bathroom, and while this is our master bathroom, it's also the only bathroom on the main level. So basically everyone uses this bathroom. I really like our original vintage tile. I really don't want to replace it. I like it. We are in the process of doing somewhat of a refresh in here. I'm getting ready to paint these walls soon. I'm going to change out some artwork. I'm not doing a whole lot. I did just recently update these knobs. They're just like a real simple oil rub bronze. We added the frame around the mirror. We did that several years ago, but I really like that. Our artwork in here is non-existent. I have frames with scrapbook paper that desperately needs to be updated. Just have a vase here. And then here in the like potty room slash shower, you can see that green tile down on the bottom. That is what our actual shower looks like. If you've watched my cleaning videos, you have seen me scrub that tile, but I like it. And this shower curtain is new. It's from Target. It's just like a gray and white stripe. I had actually had some money set aside to replace blinds when I painted or when I'm getting ready to paint. But I ended up finding a really good deal on a closet organizer, and since blinds aren't usually like on sale, I just decided to wait on the blinds, so I bought the closet organizer. So that will eventually get updated as well. We're just kind of doing things one little thing at a time. So that is our bathroom, and that concludes this home tour. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed seeing our summer home tour for 2019. If you're new to my channel, I want to say thank you so much for stopping by. If you are interested, please consider hitting that red subscribe button down below. I post lots of cleaning videos. Sometimes I do day in the life videos. We are a homeschool family, so sometimes I have some homeschool things sprinkled in. I do cook and clean with me's, and also some things like home decor and organization and things like that. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys soon.